Okay guys, to start out, I'm using these nails because they're the only ones I have right now. And I'm going to paint over them anyways. So my nails are kind of already prepped. I'm just kind of sanding down my nail bed just to kind of give the glue something to stick to. I like sanding them down so they look a little rough right now, but they're fine. So then what I'm doing is I'm basically putting the gel that the glue that I always use, and I'm kind of feathering it out towards the edges because I really want to make sure the edges get glue on there so they're stuck. And then I'm just applying them and trying not to get any glue on my cuticles. I'm trying, but sometimes it happens and I just wipe it off with a little bit of alcohol. Yeah, so I just been doing it like this. You guys have seen in my past videos, I've just been doing my nails like this. They last a really long time, same as my acrylics, and they don't lift or pop off. So, and it's just super easy. It takes like a couple seconds each nail to do, and I've just been really liking it. So as always, everything is linked in the description box too of what I use for my nails. Everything's super affordable. I'm using this little drill bit. I'm not sure what this tip is called, but it's not that like rough. So I'm just going around. Again, this is optional. I say this all the time because you don't have to do this. I just like to do this because I feel like it makes the press-on nails look a little bit more natural. Even though these specific nail tips are really thin, so they do already look natural, but I just like to do this. And I feel like it prevents them from lifting. So yeah, I just do this. So I just go around it once, maybe twice, to kind of sand it down and kind of blend it into my natural nail. And then next, I'm going to start with the easiest nails first. And I actually did get a new black gel polish and it works way better than my last one. So I'm starting with the easier ones first. I'm doing the pinky all black and the thumb nail all black. Just super simple, easy. I did go over 2 coats, and then I also did the clear coat on top just to get those 2 nails out of the way, and they were done. And then I made sure to go ahead and cure those so they don't get messed up. And now comes the hard part. So the next nail I did a white base coat, and I did 2 coats of the white and then cured them. Then I'm going to take a little bit of black and a little bit of green. By the way, I really recommend that black. It's super pigmented and it works really well. I will have everything linked in my Amazon page. And then I'm going to take this nail brush. I don't know, it's just like a long, skinny nail art brush. And I'm going to try to do my best to get some straight lines. This takes a little bit of patience. But with this brush, it actually made it really easy because of how long it is. So I kind of dipped it into the gel polish and then kind of ran it on that thing. I don't know if you've seen me. I kind of ran it on that thing to get a little bit of the polish off of it so it's not like clumped on there. And then I just basically ran the brush all the way straight down, and it was pretty easy. It's just, I guess, getting it the same width. But then this is like a Beetlejuice inspired, so it doesn't really have to be, the lines didn't really have to be perfect, which I liked. So then after I got the lines how I wanted them, and if you mess up, you can always go in with some alcohol and just take it right off. It comes right off and start all over again. After I got it exactly how I wanted, I made sure to cure those black lines so they don't get messed up. I did it right away because I didn't want it to get messed up. And then I'm just taking a little dotting tool, and I'm doing 3 little dots to where I want the drips to come down, and I'm taking the green gel polish and with a smaller brush and just kind of connecting those dots just to make it look like it's, I don't know, green stuff dripping down. And then again, after I did the green, I made sure to cure it right away. I just didn't want anything to get messed up, so after I did everything, I made sure to cure it right away once I had it the way I liked it. For the next nail, I'm doing a purple base coat. I didn't have like a glittery purple for this, so I kind of had to improvise. I did a few coats of this purple because it wasn't that dark, and then I put a glitter polish over it. For this next one, the base coat is just like a shimmery green color. This is also a really pretty green color, but this is just going to be the base. And then going back to that purple one, I put a glitter under it, like on top of it, and then I went in again with a little bit of purple just to try to make it a little bit darker. So I kind of really had to improvise because I didn't have a glittery purple gel polish. Okay, so now for the little snake sand worm or whatever the heck it is, I'm using a builder gel to kind of make that, and I kind of made a mess here, so just gonna clean that up real quick. But I'm using that in a dotting tool, builder gel, just because it's a little bit thicker and I wanted it to stand and pop out of the nail, so that's just what I'm using. I don't know if a clear gel polish would work on it, but this is just thicker, so it worked really well. So I'm just gonna basically draw the outline of the snake, and I'm kind of putting a lot so it sticks out and it's like lumpy. And again, after this, I'm gonna cure it, although fully cure it. After I'm doing everything, basically, I'm doing a full cure. So I mean, these nails weren't exactly really hard to do, and only really 2 of them takes time, but it's just I was curing everything in between, so it kind of did take a while, but they're not exactly hard to do. So then after I had that how I wanted it and fully cured, I took a white gel polish and painted the base of that sand worm thing white. And then after that, I'll go ahead and I'm going to cure it after, and then I'm going to go ahead and go in with the black gel polish just to make the little lines on him. And then I will make sure to fully go over everything with a clear gel polish just to finish everything off. And that is it. I'm a basic nail girly. I like my nails just one color usually. A lot of designs really don't last for me. I get tired of them, but these, I just feel like they came out so cute, and I really, really like the way these came out, and I will keep them for a while. Again, everything is always linked in my Amazon page in the description box. So if you guys want to check that out, go ahead, and thank you guys for watching.